Going out of your mind, understanding this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a very intriguing phrase, go out of one's mind. It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, songs, or even in casual conversations. But what does it really mean? Stay with us as we explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand it fully. Let's get started. When someone says they're going out of their mind, they're not talking about physically leaving anywhere. Instead, this phrase is a metaphorical way of expressing that someone is losing control over their thoughts or emotions. It can indicate extreme anxiety, excitement, frustration, or confusion. Essentially, it's a way to describe feeling overwhelmed or unable to think clearly. You can use go out of one's mind in several situations. It's important to note that the context can significantly affect the meaning. Here are a few scenarios. Stress or anxiety. When someone is under a lot of pressure, they might say, I'm going out of my mind with all this work. Excitement. Before a big event, someone could express their anticipation by saying, I'm so excited. I'm going out of my mind. Worry or concern. If someone is extremely worried about a loved one, they might say, I went out of my mind with worry until I knew they were safe. Let's look at some examples to see how go out of one's mind can be used in sentences. 1. After waiting for hours, I was going out of my mind with impatience. 2. She was so happy about the surprise party. She said she was going out of her mind with joy. 3. He went out of his mind when he couldn't find his passport before his flight. These examples show how the phrase can be used to express a wide range of emotions, from negative feelings like frustration and worry to positive ones like excitement and happiness. Go out of one's mind is a versatile phrase that you can use to express a broad spectrum of emotions and mental states, from being extremely worried to being over the moon with excitement. Understanding phrases like these can add depth to your English communication and help you express your feelings more vividly. We hope this explanation helps you grasp the essence of this phrase and encourages you to use it confidently in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.